Welcome to our channel. Today we how to scale your income with Patreon detailed guide step by step clearly. Start by identifying your niche and target audience on Patreon. Research what similar creators are offering and how they structure their tiers. Create valuable content that resonates with your audience and encourages them to support your work. Set clear goals for your Patreon, defining what you want to achieve in terms of income and community engagement. Decide on a tier structure that offers various levels of support with corresponding rewards for patrons. Design enticing rewards that are manageable for you to deliver, ensuring they provide real value to your supporters. Create a compelling Patreon page that clearly explains what you offer, why you're asking for support, and how patrons will benefit. Use engaging visuals and testimonials to enhance your Patreon page and connect with potential patrons. Promote your Patreon across your social media platforms, website, and through your existing content. Engage with your audience regularly, letting them know how their support is making a difference. Host exclusive events or create special content for your patrons to foster community and increase loyalty. Solicit feedback from your patrons to improve your offerings and adjust your tiers based on their desires. Experiment with limited time offers and promotions to attract new patrons and incentivize existing ones. Analyze your Patreon performance regularly to understand what's working and where you can improve. Stay consistent in creating and delivering content to keep your patrons engaged and invested in your work. Continuously network with other creators and engage with their communities to expand your reach and visibility. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.